So I'm going to walk you through the three options we have with our foam cannon kits. We have a kit A, a kit B, and a kit C. I'll just quickly explain what parts are included in each one and how they operate. In the kit A, our most basic and least expensive kit, this is a foam cannon with a 1/4-inch male plug on the back of it. And the way that this would attach is on the end of your wash stick, just like this. It's functional, it'll work perfectly with our product. The one disadvantage to it though is that now we have a heavy container of fluid hanging at the end of our wash stick. If you want to step up from there, our kit B is going to include a few extra parts. It's the same foam cannon, but now we include our quick attach system. This is our Q system. It's a long double flange device. It's made specifically for high pressure and hot water. And it allows either the foam cannon or the wash stick that it's attached to swivel under pressure. So the advantage to this foam cannon is very close to your hand. It's shorter and more easy to maneuver when you're foaming around the equipment. If you want to know, will the kit B work with my current handle? If there is a brass nut visible right here at the handle, you can be guaranteed that you can separate your wash stick from your handle and just attach the female quick coupler to that. If your current trigger actually separates further down the barrel, it's probably an M22 connection, and the kit B will not work with that. Now from there in the kit C, this is the complete setup. Actually includes a new handle, a new wash stick that comes with the 1/4-inch connector for your nozzle. There's two of the male connection pieces, one for the back of the foam cannon and one for the back of the stick. Hopefully this is just a brief explanation of our three foam cannon kits. Again, they're all the same cannon in every kit. It just changes the way that they attach to your gun.